Good afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. Today for brunch, I am going to have a little smoked salmon board with some salad. So I have, Kroger had some smoked salmon, the big packages on sale, so I got one of those. And then I have some little cornichons and capers. I'm going to have some cottage cheese with that and sourdough crisp bread. Oh, and I think avocado. I thought I was going to put that on my salad the other day and I didn't. Forgot about it. So then Kroger also had the apple walnut salad on sale. I got a couple of those. To that I'm going to add some English cucumber, some strawberries, some grape tomatoes, and probably some of the avocado. And that's everything. In this particular case, there's nothing to cook. It's just going to be putting it all together. Hey guys, welcome back for dinner. So for dinner tonight, I'm going to do some top round steak. I'm going to cook this in the air fryer. It's not completely thawed out. It's still quite cold in the middle. So I'm going to try this at about 10 minutes, maybe 12 minutes. Probably 12 minutes. I'd like it medium rare, but I don't cook it from frozen very often, so I'm not sure how long that's going to take. Then I have mashed potatoes I made last night, some fresh broccoli. The mashed potatoes I'm going to add some Greek yogurt to. The steak, I have some steak sauce. The broccoli, I'm going to put some lemon herb butter on. I'm going to season this with my Umami Magic mix, and that's it. So I just need to, I'm going to steam the broccoli in the Instant Pot, reheat the potatoes, cook the steak in the air fryer, and we'll be all done.